Hi everyone, and welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're going to be discussing how to create a budget and stick to it. First of all, why is having a budget so important? A budget is a plan for how you're going to spend and save your money. It helps you track your income and expenses, and gives you a clear picture of where your money is going. By creating a budget, you can take control of your finances and make sure that you're spending and saving in a way that aligns with your goals. So, how do you create a budget? Here are the steps. Number 1. Gather your financial information. The first step in creating a budget is to gather all of your financial information. This includes your income, expenses, and any outstanding debts. Write down all of this information so that you can see it clearly. Number 2. Determine your net income. Next, determine your net income, which is your total income minus any taxes or other deductions. This is the amount of money that you have available to spend and save each month. Number 3. Identify your fixed and variable expenses. Now, identify your fixed and variable expenses. Fixed expenses are expenses that stay the same each month, such as rent or a car payment. Variable expenses are expenses that can change each month, such as groceries or gas. Number 4. Create your budget. Once you have all of this information, you can create your budget. Start by allocating your net income to your fixed expenses. Then allocate the remaining money to your variable expenses. If you have any money left over, you can save it or use it for discretionary spending. Number 5. Stick to your budget. The final step is to stick to your budget. This means tracking your expenses and making sure that you're staying within your budget limits. If you overspend in one category, make adjustments in other areas to make up for it. By following these steps, you can create a budget that works for you and your financial goals. Remember, a budget is a plan, not a restriction. It's there to help you manage your money and achieve your goals, not to make your life more difficult. But how do you actually stick to your budget? Here are a few tips. Number 1. Review your budget regularly. Make sure to review your budget regularly, at least once a month. This will help you see how you're doing and make any necessary adjustments. Number 2. Be realistic. When creating your budget, make sure to be realistic. Don't set unrealistic goals or budget limits, or you'll be setting yourself up for failure. Number 3. Keep track of your expenses. To stick to your budget, you need to know where your money is going. Keep track of your expenses either by using a budgeting app or by writing them down in a notebook. Number 4. Be flexible. Your budget is not set in stone. If your circumstances change or if you realize that you need to make adjustments, don't be afraid to do so. By following these tips, you can create a budget that works for you and stick to it. Remember, having a budget is the key to achieving financial stability and success. So take the time to create one and make it a part of your daily routine. Thanks for watching, and we hope these tips help you create a budget and stick to it. Until next time, take care.